So, I just made some of the original Budak spicy ramen. Haven't eaten any of it yet. I'm too afraid to because I'm literally sweating like a black man in this funky ass, hot ass room I'm in. And got the icy slush on standby just in case I can't handle it. You know, even though I already have like a ghost pepper video. If I can handle ghost pepper, I can handle this. It's not that hard. I'm not gonna eat a lot, but just let me it's way too hot to be eating this spicy shit. But bottoms up, I guess. Bone apple teeth. Sorry for the eating noises. It's not... It's not spicy, but like I'm literally dripping sweat right now. It's not too spicy, but it makes the heat in the house worse.